Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can download the Zoom Workplace application into your Windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can do that. So, if you're going to have a call using the Zoom application and you want to do it in your laptop or in your Windows, then you can surely do that. So, bring up your favorite browser like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. So, I'm going to bring up my Microsoft Edge browser. In here, just simply type in the search bar Zoom download and then hit enter. Then you will find this Zoom.us download center for Zoom apps and plugins. Click on this. So here you will find this download button, download 64-bit, 32-bit, or download ARM64. So this is for the architecture of your Windows. Now my Windows is 64-bit, so I'm just going to click with this. And the installer file will be downloaded. We just need to wait for this. So once done, simply double click on the installer file and then close the Microsoft Edge window. Then you will have the Zoom Workplace installer window. So you just have to wait for this to install the application into our Windows. Click on done. In here, you can just simply access into your Zoom Workplace application. You can click on join a meeting if you want to join a meeting directly. Or if you want to sign up, then you can simply do that. So here you just need to type your birth year and then go on with the next procedures or next information to be done. Then once that is done, then you can just simply access and enjoy the Zoom Workplace application for your Windows. Now, how can you confirm that you have installed the Zoom Workplace? Just simply type in the Windows search bar Zoom and that will appear as an application under the best match. So the process is just very easy and I know you can do it too. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.